If you're on a fitness journey right now, you probably know that you need to be eating a good amount of protein in order to see the best results, but do you actually know why it's important? Hi, my name is Jen. I'm a women's weight loss expert, and I personally lost 50 pounds 7 years ago and have kept it off, and it is my goal to demystify all of the secrets of diet culture. And I don't just want to tell you what to do, I want to explain to you how to do it and why it's important. And I'm also here to trim the fat of the information you don't need. So the first one you probably already know, so I'm going to go through it super quick. Protein is super important for helping you build that lean muscle mass that you're looking for. And no, this will not make you bulky. Now, the second reason you probably likely haven't heard of, but it's the coolest one of all. Everything that your body does burns calories. Breathing burns calories, thinking burns calories, walking burns calories, and digesting your food burns calories as well. Now, this is what's referred to as the thermic effect of food. Protein has the highest thermic effect of 20 to 30%. Carbs come in at second with 5 to 10%, and fats are only 0 to 3%. But what does that even mean? What that means is for every 100 calories your body consumes of protein, it actually has to burn 20 to 30 calories just to digest it. Whereas with carbs, every 100 calories of carbs you're eating, your body's only burning 5 to 10 calories. Now let's multiply this and say for every 1,000 calories of protein your body is eating, it's burning an average of 250 calories, whereas for every 1,000 calories of carbs, you're only burning about 70 calories, and for every 1,000 calories of fats, you're only burning about 20 calories. This is why people sometimes say protein increases metabolism, which it doesn't technically do, it just burns more calories to digest. Now, it is really important to make sure that you still are eating enough carbohydrates and fats because this is your body's natural energy source. And if it doesn't have any carbs and fats to create energy, it's going to be hard to burn the calories in the protein. That being said, eating enough protein allows your body to burn more calories throughout the day with zero effort on your behalf. Now, the third reason, which is also really cool, is that even though protein has the highest thermic effect of food, meaning it burns the most calories as you digest it, it also takes the longest to digest, which means it's the most satiating macronutrient as well. Essentially, protein keeps you more full for a longer amount of time than carbs or fats, in proportion to number of calories. So what that means is you feel fuller longer and it minimizes those food cravings, making it so much easier to stay in that calorie deficit. And that's it. If this was helpful, make sure you like and follow for more weight loss tips.